This is some of the biggest news for both home buyers and home sellers that we've seen in quite a while. The Federal Reserve recently announced that the time has come to start cutting interest rates. So we've all been waiting for that moment, right? And now it's finally here. We're going to see that in September. So lower mortgage rates mean that the monthly payments are going to be lower. The biggest thing that's preventing people from buying a house right now is affordability. Home prices have gone up, and when mortgage rates went up, it took a lot of home buyers out of the game because they simply could not afford the monthly payment on that house. So, for many people, this is the break that they have been hoping for and waiting for to be able to make homeownership affordable for them again. But there's a flip side to this good news. The benefits of lower interest rates also bring some challenges to us. So, over the last couple of years, we talked about home prices have continued to go up. And with the home prices going up, the interest rates going up, many Americans were priced out of the market. They couldn't come up with down payment money, they couldn't come up with closing costs, and then they couldn't make a monthly mortgage payment. So, a lot of people have put their plans on hold because those interest rates went up. Now, as those interest rates are going to start to come down, we're going to see a wave of pent up demand from those people who have been waiting on the sidelines. These buyers are likely to jump back into the market, and that's where things could get tricky. With more buyers entering the market, competition for homes is going to increase rapidly. What does that mean? Think back to 2021. There simply weren't enough homes available to meet the demand, and as a result, home prices were pushed even higher. So, if you're considering buying a home, you need to be aware of this potential scenario. The window of opportunity to buy at a lower interest rate might be shorter than you think. What do I mean by that? We've already seen rates come down some. You can get a 30-year FHA or VA mortgage right now at a 5.5. A 30-year conventional is going to run you about 6%, which is down quite a bit from what we've seen in 2024. So if you take advantage of that now, you're going to have the better opportunity because you're not going to have the competition looking at homes that you're going to have if you wait till the interest rate comes down again and everybody that's been sitting on the sidelines starts looking for a house. Home sellers who have been sitting there saying, I want to sell my house, but I don't want to get rid of this interest rate. If we get into rates in the fives, I think we're going to see a lot of people who have been holding on to their home put their house on the market, but they're also going to be looking for another house. You're going to have home buyers who dropped out of the race when mortgage rates went up come back into it. So that competition is going to heat up, I think, come the end of September going into October. So if you want to take advantage of a lower rate and not have all that competition, I would urge you to get in touch with an agent now, talk to your loan officer, find out exactly what you can afford, and take advantage of the higher inventory level that we currently have here in Hamlin County.